The first thing that we will be doing when drafting the waistband is to measure the waistline of the skirt pattern. Here we can take the measurement of the back skirt using the measuring tape. Do this in sections of the waistline and mark it as you go along. It will make things clear and simple when drafting the waistband. We will do the same for the front skirt pattern, measuring each section and marking it on the pattern. To draft the waistband, we will need a long strip of pattern paper that is twice as long as the total measurements, and it is more than double the width of the waistband. Starting from the left side of the paper, we will draw a vertical line down and a long horizontal line across the middle, as this will be the fold line at the waistband. From the left of the vertical line, we will measure 4 centimeters to the left and draw another vertical line down for the overlap. To the right of the initial vertical line, we will measure and mark down the numbers of the back waistline from the center back to the side seam in 3 sections. We can draw a vertical line after the third measurement and mark the center back and the side seam as reference points. To the right of the side seam line, we can place the measurements of the front waistline from the side seam to the center front in 2 sections and draw a vertical line and mark it for reference points. Now we can draft the width of the waistline, drawing a horizontal line 4 centimeters above and below the fold line, creating an 8 centimeter wide waistband in total. Now we can mark the dart reference points on the waistband and label the back and the front locations on the pattern. We will fold the pattern paper in half at the center front of the waistband and trace every line, leaving out the overlap. We can now open the pattern paper and redraw the traced lines, creating a full pattern of the waistband. Once everything has been traced and labelled, I begin to add 1 cm seam allowance all around the pattern. We can start to cut out the waistband pattern, making sure we take our time and cut it nice and neatly. For the final finishing, we will add the grain line across the waistband and label the pattern.